So, some of you were wondering about my kitchen equipment as I'm opening things, parcels and packages in my kitchen and showing you gadgets like the knife sharpener and the can opener and my blenders. So, you were asking me about my equipment. So, I decided I'd show you this. This is my Tefal, as you can see, pressure cooker, but it also says that it's useful for it's 25 operations in one, and I'm told it bakes, it makes stew. I'm making a stew at the moment. It's a slow cooker, it's a baker, it's lots of different 25 different things. And as you can see, got a cancel button there, and underneath it is rice, oatmeal, baby foods, pressure cooker, bake, do yourself, stews and soups, which is I'm doing at the moment. Above it is the on-off switch, steamer, a browner, a simmer, a slow cook, and preheat. So let me see if I can show you. It's very hard to go back into this to show you, but there it is. It's made of, you can see, black item metal and stainless steel. And the whole thing was from Amazon, and it was, let me see how much, if I can remember. Oh, it's model CY55E40, and it cost me £111.72 from Amazon. And it was free post because I'm on Prime. So I'll show you what's in it. Now I'll see if I can switch it off and then show you what's in it. It's going to be awkward because on the top, you can see there's a steam button. It's very dirty, this is, at the moment. I haven't cleaned it. I have cleaned it inside, but not outside. So this is the steam button. Wow. And you can see all the steam, I hope, coming out because it's a pressure cooker, steamer, and I've made some stew. Only a small amount, I believe, but just because today I decided I could do with a substantial meal. So we'll see when we can open it. It won't allow me to open, and I'll show you this handle here is what you turn to open. It's locked, and it will stay locked until all the steam is out, so I don't burn myself. I don't get wet burns or scalds. This is terrible of me because I'm a trained first aider, a first responder, ETA, emergency technical services for the ambulance services. I used to be superintendent for St John Ambulance, and yet here I am saying burn when I should be saying scald. That's what happens when you get older, I think. But anyway, let's see. It's telling me, did you hear the ding ding? That I'm not waiting, I'm being impatient. There it is. Next to it is my air fryer. Next to it is my microwave. So you can see my utensils, and you can see there my salt and my electric salt and pepper. Those are really good. My cooker. So my kettle, my percolator, my grinder, my fly catcher, my utensils there, my paper bowls, and I'm not going to tell you anymore, but because I think, yes, I was only doing time. There is my excellent food I'm going to enjoy. My lens is going to get steamed up if I'm not careful. Now you may remember me showing you this wonderful strainer, and I did use it on the internal pot there, and I'd showed you with it fitted, and so I could pour things out. I used a few small tomatoes to show you in water, and I showed you on a cooking pot as well. So I'll show you the link of that. I'll add the link to the strainer because it's very, very useful. But now, please excuse me because I'm going to enjoy this wonderful meal. Now, what have I got in it? Utensils close by. I've got parsnips, I've got turnip, I've got beef, I've got carrots, I've got butter beans in there, I've got onions in there, and a lovely gravy. Oh, and potatoes. So the whole thing is a nourishing meal, and it's all for me. So I'm going to go and enjoy it now, and I hope I've got your mouths watering and you're thinking, I fancy something to eat. And maybe I fancy doing a stew like David John did in his Tefal 6-litre pressure cooker. And as you saw, he will do rice, he will do oatmeal, he will do baby foods, he will bake, he will do steam, it will brown, and it will simmer, and it will slow cook, and it will reheat. So wonderful, eh? So bon appetit. Bye.